I'm going to be teaching you in very simple and easy steps how you can create a video that converts. Hello and welcome. My name is Oma and I'm the founder of DigitalBizGuru. In this series, I'm going to be teaching you in very simple and easy steps how you can create a video that converts. Enjoying this video so far? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section, share with a friend and subscribe to see more videos like this. Everyone knows that videos are more important now than ever, but a lot of us don't know how to go about it. We are so camera shy, we don't even know what to say, even if they put a camera right in front of us. In this series, I'll be guiding you through exactly what you should say and do to get us to give you our money. Hang on tight. I'll be seeing you in the next video holding tomorrow. I'll be sharing the first element of a highly converting video script. I'll see you.